Headed to Times Square. Yeah, he was cool. Times Square entrance. Or not Times Square, Grand Central Terminal. Pershing Square Plaza. Park Avenue. Yeah, I saw that when we went in. There we go. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, he's prepared to be late.
Odd. Oh, a lot in this one. Okay. Finally you decided you're gonna break the seal? That's what I'm saying. That's a ninja skill in itself.
Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis lawyer.
What is that?
Onassis, she was
To all those who with head heart thing. What? Where's the pickles? Where are the pickles? Hey, can you help me with this? My watch.
See that place?
Yeah.
There's the famous clock, babe.
Oh my gosh, dude. This is awesome. Grand Central Station, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this.
Is this not the coolest?
One of my favorite movies was making this with the Untouchables with Kevin Costner, and they're going after Al Capone.
Yeah, tell me.
The stairs, a Naked Gun. This is what I love. This up here. Have you ever seen this? Just the way we came in, right?
Get your tickets. Long Island Railroad.
Wow. The decor of the statues up there is ridiculous. And then if you notice, it's the medical snake. Look at my phone.
Wow.
Yeah. It's got the world. This is awesome. The artwork is just ridiculous. That's Grand Central
Hello.
Station.
Yeah. So awesome.
This is awesome. This is from New York, Grand Central. So this is where you get all trains out of New York, or?
You can, yes.
Okay. So, in Rhode Island, you said is down there? Long Island. That's all. It's pretty awesome.
That's good in here.
We're about to go back in, and so I'm sure you'll be lovely happy. This kind of reminds me of the one in Marseille. Pull in. This place is massive. So that's the 42nd, you said? We're going that way? These guys working hard.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bathroom real quick.